one. On the comfort with forget-me-nots.
You're a rotten cheat.
Yeah, she means we can't.
Can't you see I'm in a rush?
Are they good English names?
Thank you.
But Helga wants the child to have a German.
My brother here, and I see no sign of
I'm this close to coming over there. Bad it that was.
Yeah, go on, that's it. Ooh, no, he's all right. He's getting up. Get it on.
Come on, come on.
Gross animals. Not unfriendly.
Should have just stayed at home. I don't need to deal with this sort of treatment. I knew I should have stayed in bed today. By himself.
No, she's not there anymore.
This is not a fabrication. Walk into any factory and you'll see for yourself.
What can we possibly do about it?
It's the city air.
Wait
It
there!
irritates
I'll
my
chop you into bits.
Dreadful.
You're gonna be so sorry.
Fellow, that's rot.
Take a look around you. Are things really fine the way they are?
Up, up, up!
Are you affiliated with that? Yeah.
Things for sale. 2 for the price of 1. Perfect. A new low. You did with
So, let's leave it at that. They had to pay the constable the canary. He made that a situation.
Didn't see the dipper. Better keep a watch on all Thursday.
Thank you kindly, sir. I'm sure they'll be here soon.
They're always late.
Right, I'm coming to deal with you. You ain't getting out alive. I'll feed your liver to the cats.
Got to leave. No argument.
It's complicated.
are.
What about her? She could be Prime Minister.
Smoke and fire. I can tell.
It's wonderful. I adore the colour.
Credit me.
These streets aren't safe at night. Lamar saw a man get pinked over
Maybe you'll settle down when I've ripped your guts out.
But we need your support.
Well, whatever we can
I'll
do to
crush
help.
you like a bloody insect.
Sir, you and I need to have a word.
How's your sister and the baby?
Both fine. The baby is strong and healthy.
I'm glad to hear it. Perhaps we should start getting...
It's true. What's going on?
You dim bloody bastard, come here!
Hamlet, the musical, opening in Paris.
Something of a desecration of Shakespeare's intentions. We're counting on you, Max. Can't do it without you. Isn't that right, Samuel?
Said he was glad to be rid of me.
You cheeky sod! Wait till I get there!
Come on, throw it
My
here.
goodness, are you all right?
I'm fine.
Coming here was a mistake. How many chunks shall I slice you into?
Watch yourself, or I'll be on you in a flash!
It's not a surprise. I hope your standing for office is going well. It would be dreadful if any skeletons in the cupboard...
Move it on, or I'll move you along.
Why I do so enjoy the continent. Far more variety. It excites the senses, I tell you.